Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my class. In the series of learning programming in C, in the previous videos, we have discussed the practical programs on decision-making statements. In today's video, let us discuss about the iterative constructs, also called as looping constructs. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all the new videos. Hope you have enjoyed with the practical session videos and you have understood with the programs of all the decision making statements, that is simple if else if ladder, nested if and switch statement. Any additional requirements, like if you require any special videos on some particular topics like arrays, structures, pointers, please write in the comment box. I can create those special videos for you people. So let us get into this topic, that is iterative constructs or statements. The name itself tells you iterative. Iterative means repetition. So let us see the definition of iterative construct. Iterative statements are the statements that are used to repeatedly execute a sequence of instruction until some condition is satisfied or for a given number of times. So when I want to execute some set of statements or a particular statement repeatedly, I can make use of this iterative constructs. So in the normal scenario, the beginners, what they do, if they want to execute some statements repeatedly, they have to rewrite the statements again and again. It consumes more time because it will be the sequential flow of execution. Right from the beginning to ending, the compiler has to execute in an order. It goes in a sequence. So we have to write the statements again and again if it has to be executed repeatedly. So it consumes more time and the program becomes very lengthy. So how do we get rid of this? This is what the solution. So we can go with this iterative construct statements where we can repeatedly execute some set of statements based on the evaluation of some condition. So this iterative statement is also called as looping statements. So we are in the loop. We will be in the loop and the statement, it may be a single statement or it may be a compound statement which gets executed in a loop based on some condition. So which are all those iterative constructs? So we have while, do while and for. Well, in today's video, we will discuss about how to use while loop. While construct. So while construct is called as pre-tested loop. Pre-tested loop in the sense, in order to execute some set of statements, the condition has to be evaluated first. If the condition evaluates as true, then only it allows to execute some set of statements. And hence it is called as entry control loop. So at the entry stage itself, the condition will be tested. If true, then only the statements will be allowed for execution. So it says a set of statements gets executed again and again until the condition is true. When the condition becomes false, the loop terminates. So this is what the while loop is. So let us see the syntax, flowchart and example code of this while construct. So this is what the syntax and flowchart of while construct. The syntax here, we have used the keyword while followed with the test condition, open brace and closed brace, where we can have a set of statements for execution. So based on the test condition, if the test condition evaluates as true, then this complete block of statement gets executed and it loops back. Again check the condition. If true, execute some set of statement. Then again loop back. Again check the condition. If true, execute the set of statements. We can also have some loop initialization. We can have some loop progress statements also here. Like iterative statements means we can have some increment or decrement operators here. Then loop back, check the condition. If true, again execute the statements. Again loop back, check the condition. If false, then come out of the loop. Then control will be to this statement X. It will not loop back. it will come to this control, it will execute statement X. This is what the syntax. The flow chart. Decision making symbol we use rhombus is test condition. If the test condition evaluates as true, execute the set of statements. It can be any computational statement. So I have used the rectangular box. If it is any display statement, input statement or output statement, I can use the parallelogram symbol. So after executing the statement, look at this flow. It is again going to this test condition. So it is what we say, loop back, check the condition. If true, again execute the statements. Again loop back, check the condition. True, execute the statements. Loop back, check the condition. If false, come out of the loop and control will be to statement X. Hope you have understood with this syntax and flowchart. Let us see a small example code now. So here is a small example code. I have started with void main. In fact, let me tell one more thing here. You need not include any stdio.h and conio.h. The only one thing that what you can do is, a very simple tip that what I can give for today's video is, you save your file with .c extension. Say for example, let me save this program with loop1.c. When you save your file with .c extension, then by default the compiler will take the header file for the printf and scanf that what you have used. The basic functions, you have printf, you have scanf, you have getch and clear screen. For all these built-in functions, the header file will be included automatically when you save your file with .c extension. So the stdio, conio header file, everything will be included by default when you save with the extension .c. You can just check out this. Well, let me get back to this program. So I have started with void main. Then you have a variable by name I. So as soon as the compiler encounters this variable declaration and initialization statement, it is going to allocate a memory for that, and 2 bytes of memory will be allocated and the value 0 will be stored, initial value. Now, clear screen, as usual the screen gets clear. Now the loop starts. This program is simply trying to print the value from 0 to 4, less than or equal to 5 I am saying. So it will print up to 5. So my output I should get as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us see how this program is going to print this. First, check the test condition. So let me write the iterations here. Any looping statement program, you have to analyze that with this tracing like this. You have to write down each and every values that what you get in every iterations. So the value of I is 0. It is 0 less than or equal to 5. Is this condition true? Is 0 less than or equal to 5? Yes. The condition evaluated as true. Then I need to get inside this loop. The first statement that what I have here, the set of statements that what I have here is, one is printf statement and one more is increment. Well, I have explained about the increment operator in the previous videos. Please do check out. So here we have two statements. Test condition is evaluated as true. Then this complete block has to be executed. What I am doing here, I am printing the value of I, %d, print the value of I. So in my output screen, this is my output screen, I get the value 0. I value is, this is what the I value 0 I am going to get. Then I++. I++ is nothing but I equal to I plus 1. So it is 0, 0 plus 1, it is 1. The value of I has been changed. Then I have to loop back. Then again check the condition. The next iteration, I value has become 1, 1 less than or equal to 5. So yes, again the condition evaluated as true. Again get inside, print that value of I. So in my output screen I get the value 1, I++, 1 plus 1, it is 2. Again loop back. So it is 2 less than or equal to 5. Again print. So I get 2. Then I++, it is 2 plus 1. I becomes 3. Then 3 less than or equal to 5. Again print the value. It is 3. It goes on like this. 4. Then I'll check 5. 5 less than or equal to 5. 5 less than or equal to 5. Yes. I get the value of I. Then again loop back. The next is 6. 6 less than or equal to 5. No. The condition evaluates as false. It has to come out of the loop and control to get CH and the program ends. This is how the loop is going to work. So in the while, we are going to test the condition at the initial stage itself, and hence it is called as entry control loop, or we call it as pre-tested loop. Before we execute, you need to test the condition. If the test condition evaluates as true, then only the block will be executed. If not, it is going to terminate the loop. Check the condition, execute. Loop back. That is most important. Again check the condition. If true, execute, loop back. Again check the condition. If false, then come out of the loop. And this is what my statement text here. It is get CH and the program ends. You can just execute this program and check out what the output you are going to get. And please write down the output in the comment box also, so that I can get to know whether you have understood or not. Well, this is what the while loop is. That's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.